Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to allow photos and videos access on Telegram, so you can send, receive, and save media without any issues. If Telegram can't access your photos or videos, you might notice that you're unable to upload media or save files directly to your device. The good news is, this is easy to fix and only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device permissions are managed. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the apps section and tap on it. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as applications or app management. Next, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find Telegram. Once you find it, tap on Telegram to open its app settings. Now look for the option called Permissions and tap on it. This section controls what Telegram is allowed to access on your device, like your camera, microphone, and storage. Here's the important part. Tap on Photos and Videos. On some devices, this may appear as storage or media. Once you open it, you'll see different permission options. Simply select Allow. This gives Telegram full access to your photos and videos, so you can send media, download files, and use all related features without any restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully enabled photos and videos access on Telegram. If it still doesn't work right away, try restarting the app or reopening Telegram to apply the changes properly. This small setting can make a big difference in how smoothly Telegram works, especially if you regularly share media.